Have you ever wondered how a child learns to differentiate between dogs and cats, even before knowing their names? The answer lies in unsupervised learning, a concept that is not just confined to human intelligence, but is also a core part of artificial intelligence. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning that operates on a very simple premise. It's like handing a complex jigsaw puzzle to a machine and saying, "Figure it out, no hints." It's a method where AI systems are fed with unlabeled data without predefined categories or labels, and the system is expected to find patterns or relationships within the data on its own. To understand this better, picture a toddler who has just started learning about the world. No one is telling the toddler, "This is a dog," or "That's a cat," but they begin to differentiate between the two based on their observations. They recognize patterns. Dogs bark, cats meow. Dogs have long snouts, cats have whiskers. This is unsupervised learning in action, an instinctive ability to identify patterns and learn from them. In the same way, AI systems can learn to differentiate between different types of objects, sounds, or even behaviors. For instance, music streaming platforms use unsupervised learning to categorize songs into different genres, even when they're not explicitly labeled. The AI analyzes patterns in the music, such as tempo, rhythm, and pitch, to make these distinctions. Another real-world application of unsupervised learning is in the field of anomaly detection. For example, credit card companies use it to identify fraudulent transactions. These systems are trained with normal spending patterns, and then they are able to identify transactions that fall outside of these patterns as potential fraud. So, to summarize, unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where AI systems learn from unlabeled data. They identify patterns and relationships within the data on their own, without any explicit guidance or instruction. This form of learning is used in many real-world applications, from categorizing music to detecting credit card fraud. Unsupervised learning, in essence, is the AI's way of mimicking human curiosity, of exploring and learning about the world without any hand-holding. It's a testament to how far artificial intelligence has come and how much farther it can go. So the next time you hear a song on your favorite streaming platform or get an alert about an unusual transaction, remember, it's all thanks to the fascinating world of unsupervised learning.